So far, I have not made a video on how to just download cmake and do it. So you just go here. So first, what you have to do is you have to go to this PC. You have to download this cmake version. It should be binary, not executable, the source file. And after that, you have to go here and you have to copy this and make your executable. Then you have to go from here to the cmake GUI and you have to browse your source. And in pictures, I have this cmake darknet master. Then you have to go to the configure. It is Visual Studio 16, I think so, 2019. Okay, so finish it. So then, oh my god, what it is doing? Stop this. Okay, so let it configure. So it is configuring every file. Okay, it has identified. So can't feel the project files may be invalid. So in here you have all these things. So I don't need these things. Okay, so it is supposed to be CUDA. I don't have OpenCV. I don't have VCPKG integration may be needed. Exposed optical track follow is not needed. CPP also is needed. So now what you can do is you have to. I don't have a GPU, so I'm just installing like this only these things. Let's generate. So this may take some time, I think so. Okay, permission has been denied. I don't know why it is being denied. So again, let's go to the browse code and so in here, what mistake I have made is you have to go to the pictures and darknet master and build folder should be selected for darknet. Okay, this has to be selected. So we have not selected it. So before I'll tell you again how to go. So just close this. Let me close this also. Let it open. So let's go to the cmake GUI. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the browse the source, darknet master, pictures, and darknet master, and yes, darknet master. And again, from here, what you have to do, you have to again go to the darknet master for the source file. So for the build, okay, build folder should be chosen. So first, what you have to do is you need to configure it. Okay, Visual Studio 16, 2019, yes. Okay, so it is just configuring everything. So no more errors. I can guarantee that. So this cmake was done by very simple method. We just go here, cmake install. You just download cmake download, and you just click this, and you have to download this. You should not download this. And after you download this Windows this thing, as you can see from here, after you download this, you have to just go to the C and unzip it and take this and put it in the environment variables. Okay, path, the second path, not the first path. Okay, it will be okay. So now it is just it is telling something provider do not provide the package of OpenCV. Okay, Okay, OpenCV has not been installed. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, so we do need CUDA will not be needed, and it is better that you do it with these things. Use integrated libraries, so these will not be there. Okay, so let's generate. Okay, so generating has been done. So now go here, go to the pictures, and go to the darknet master. Okay, so what happened is something should be on build. So you just must go to the cmake is this modules. So this pictures is of darknet master is built over here. So everything has been built. This darknet has been created. It's a great news. So before that, so what I have done is I have just double clicked it. It is in the build folder. So I have generated it from here. I have clicked all these things. Okay, and I have generated it. So Visual Studio is opening. So after going to the build, I have just opened the darknet SLN. It is actually you have to open the SLN file. It's taking some time. Okay, so this is the darknet solution file. Okay, so it is the darknet solution file sln.sln as you can see here. Then from here you have to go here. This is actually for, and you have to go to this all build. And it should be here. I don't know where it is. Okay, or else you just right click this, or you just right click this. So now it's just building because you have to right click this and type build. Okay, so it is building all things. So it will take some time. Okay, you have to right click and build this. Build. It's so simple that you just right click it and just do build. I'll show you again how to build it. So it has been successful, but if you want to rebuild it, you can also build it again. You just click build. Again, it will build and show you. So this is what is happening. So first thing I did build it correctly. Even though if you are just want to rebuild it, just rebuild it. Okay, rebuild it. Okay. So then you have to go to the darknet and play with it. So now the build has been done. So now you can go here and again go to the install and again build it. When you build this, now the darknet will be created over here. Okay, not over here. I think so. It should be created over here. Darknet should be created over here. Okay, darknet file is created over here. This is the executable. This was so easy. So now what I'm doing is I'm just closing the Chrome. Okay, now I'm going to use Alex AV weights and YOLO V3 weights. So I can go to the Chrome. Chrome. I have not added OpenCV or this thing. If you want, you can add it. I will tell you another video also, which is very useful for this. So this is just for detection. Then you have to go to this YouTube. And after you go to the YouTube, you should go to the sorry, Alexi AV. Alexi. And so I'm downloading the YOLO V3 weights. So I have to go to the normal thing. Okay. So just go here. So this is Alexi AV. This is not YOLO V3. Okay. So you have to know that. So I'm just downloading it. It's getting downloaded. It will take some time. Okay, so that folder is just downloading. You download. So first you have to all build it. Then you have to use install. And after installing, you have to get here and download the weights. So weights is already there. It's great. So just go here to the downloads and YOLO V3 weights. It's supposed to be YOLO V3 weights. Okay, YOLO V3 weights. It's actually in here. No problem with that. Just go here. YOLO V3. So it is over here. Weights file is over here. So copy this pictures and go to the darknet master. Just paste this. So it is about 280 37 or 287 MB. Okay, just see this 236, and if you want to open it with it will take some time. No problem. So now you just get here and go to the command prompt cmd and click enter, and after that you just go here, and now what you have to do, copy this. Okay, copy this, get here, and you just paste this. So now there should be some changes. So darknet dot exe and hit enter. It's not an operable thing. Okay, so instead of running in here also, what you can do, you can copy this, edit, copy, and you can run the bash over here. So bash, I don't know where is the bash now. So is bash, open it here, and you just after you get here and come to here, copy this. So you just go to cd, so p I C T U R U R E S and cd dark, darknet master, and you just paste this. Uh, just paste this over here, or you just paste this like this and hit enter. So pv pthread vdll is not found, so you can rebuild it also, or else now what you can do is you can copy this. We will try this also, so let's go and copy this and paste this. Let's download this. It's already there. It's already there. So go here, take it, cut it, cut it. Go to the documents. Darknet master is already there. Just delete that. Okay, and paste this a new one. Okay, paste the registration folder and rename it. Okay, so What we have to do is we have to extract this again. So extract it here. So this darknet is different. This darknet is actually from BTD site, but we have been downloading this from AlexCAB. Okay, AlexCAB. So AlexCAB is somewhat showing some error. So we have to deal with this both. Okay, AlexCAB is different from darknet. So let's close this and go to the darknet. And this is AlexCAB. So now what happens is that you open this darknet pictures, you go to the documents, and the darknet master is over here. So again, you just go to the cmake, and you have this. You have to create a folder called build. Okay, BUILD, and now go to the cmake, push the code, documents, darknet master, and again go from here, browse documents, and go to the darknet master. Okay, and there's supposed to be some difference. So now go to the build, select the folder, and now what you do is let it configure Visual Studio 16, specify it. Error configuration invalid, projects may be invalid. I don't know why. Oh my god, binaries should be formed there. So just go in here, document master is over here, build is over here. Okay, select the folders, configure it. I don't know why it is not showing anything. So let's again open the cmake tab. Go to the cmake, when go away, go to the browse, it's in the documents, darknet master, and let's configure it. Okay, still error. I don't know why it is showing this error. It's in users. What it is saying is that it's not appear cmake.list contains cmake.list. So go here, go to the documents, go to the document master. Cmake.list is not over here. So now what you can do, you go to the pictures, document master from the AlexCAB. So you can copy this and go to the documents, document master, and I can paste this and just get here and I can configure. Okay, so we have copied it from AlexCAB only. Okay, configure the invite files. So integrated t threads for Windows directory. Okay, this is an error way video. Okay, let's